Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, before I go ahead with respect to this video, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. And in this video, I'm going to discuss about what all kind of amazing content I'm going to come up with in 2023 for you all. I've been teaching data science now from past 5 to 6 years, 6 to 7 years, and many people have made some amazing career transition into data science, not only from tech side, from non-tech side, from different background. Now they're working in amazing projects and all. So in this year, I'm also going to move one step forward because already all the basic videos with respect to machine learning algorithms, implementing projects have been there in my YouTube channel already. But now we are going to move one step ahead, wherein we are going to focus more on research papers. We are going to focus on becoming a proficient data scientist, where we focus on implementing some amazing scalable solutions. I'll be uploading a lot of end-to-end projects using different cloud environments. Not only that, we'll also focus on CI/CD pipelines, AI ops, and many more things. The reason why I'm making it's, let's say that I'm just not going to upload a very big video as such, or very big project as such, but I really want to make you knowledgeable with respect to all the open source platform and cloud platforms that are going to come up with. And now you'll be able to see that there are different cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP and all, who are extensively using with the help of Docker and Kubernetes, helping us to develop an amazing deployable, scalable solution itself, right? So all those things we are going to focus on as we go ahead. They're going to come up with amazing contents, and this content will definitely have a good amount of quality. And this content will actually help you in the interviews, because what I've actually seen with respect to all the things that we have basically taught our students who in iNeuron, now it is PW skills, because iNeuron and PW skills are merged together. You'll be able to see that we're focused more on implementing end-to-end projects in such a way that which is specifically used in industries. So this will be super helpful for everyone to crack the interviews. Trust me, because we have cracked that net that is actually required. What all things is basically required itself. And soon I'm also going to come up with a detailed roadmap for data science, where you can basically crack interviews and jobs just in 3 months. So that kind of roadmap I'll be coming up in 2023, just in some days probably for this particular year. And every year I do upload a lot of videos regarding roadmap, not only for data science but data analyst also. So yes, we are going to have an amazing let's hope we are going to have an amazing year. I hope last year was amazing for all of you who are able to clear the interviews and all. For those people who are just preparing, don't worry, we are going to come up, I'm going to specifically come up with amazing contents in this channel so that you'll be able to focus more. Before I end this particular video, guys, we at PW Skills are happy to announce the Data Science Masters course, and it is launching on 28 Jan 2023. The price of the course is just 3,500. The duration of the course is 7 to 8 months, and this particular course is in a hybrid mode. That is 80% is basically in the recorded mode and 20% will be having a live sessions. 2 courses have been launched both in the language like English and English. So you'll be able to also find out data science masters in English also. And the detailed syllabus is basically given over here. It includes big data, it includes machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, Python, statistics, NLP, and many more things like computer vision and all, right? So do definitely check out all this particular course. All the information will be given in the description of this particular video. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you one all. Bye bye. Take care.